Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool design here, and pretty much what this is a pool cleaner. You can see for the one that we got right here from a brand called Aiper. If you guys saw my previous video, I actually reviewed a few other ones from this brand. So I reviewed the really small one, which is the most basic one, even before they upgraded to this new one right here. Then recently, a few weeks ago, I tested out like the Seco Plus, which I will show you in a second when we do test it out. But this time right here, we do have the Aiper Elite Pro, and this one is so much better than the other one for the Plus option. And the reason why is because it actually gives you guys a wall climbing option, which you guys will see in the test. But the way how this product works is actually very similar to the other one that I've reviewed in the past in terms of the Seco Plus, where it does give you guys 2 hours of battery life on one full charge. And also for the product, when you guys do use it, it is cordless. So all you need to do is fully charge the product and you guys can put it into the pool and let it do its own thing. And the design of the product is slightly different as well. If I do bring a little bit closer, this is what the product looks like. If you see on the bottom right here, they do price some specs and features about the product. So they mention how it is cordless, like I mentioned, 2 hours of battery life, cleans up to 1,292 square feet of pool. It is lightweight and also climb the wall. So that is everything that's on the package. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, here's what the inside looks like. So the first thing inside right here, they do provide you guys the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. This inside right here, we do have a piece of paper to give you guys some tips about the product in terms of how to use it. And then right underneath that, we do have the product and we do have a little box with stuff inside. Let's take this out first. So once you guys do open the box, first the inside right here, they do provide a hook that you can use to hook up the product when you guys are done using it. Next thing inside, we do have the cable for to plug it in to actually recharge the product. So one is for the wall outlet and one to plug onto right here onto the product, which I will show you guys in a second. And that is everything inside the box. Now let's take out the protective layer on here and show you guys what the product looks like. Once you guys do take it out, here's what the product looks like. So top right here, we do have the brand name. Here we do have the product name, Elite Pro. And when you guys do feel the product is not that heavy, it's actually very lightweight compared to Seco Plus as well, which is really cool. But here's what the product looks like on this side. Here is the side. Here is the side. Here is our side. Here we do have the bottom. You can see the way how to design the bottom part right here. They do have a scrubber option for you guys to clean the walls or even clean the surface when you guys do use it, which is really cool. So that way not only does it help you guys vacuum and suck up all like the dirt and the debris and the leaf inside, but also help you guys clean the pool as well in terms of the algae and etc., which is really nice. And then here's what the product looks like on top. And also allow you guys to put the hook on here to lift it up really easily once you guys are done using it. But you see the wheel that's on here definitely works really well. Same thing for other one here as well. So that's a quick little 360 point of view of what the product looks like. Now let's show you guys what's inside the product and how it actually works. So when you look at the front part right here, if you guys do open it, that is where the water could come out in terms of water pressure when you guys do suck it up. And pretty much where it sucks everything up is in the back part right here that I just show you guys. So not only does it help you guys clean your surface in terms of the walls and also your pool, but it sucks everything up inside right here and pretty much push it into this little hole to suck it inside. You can see right there. Once it sweeps inside and sucks it all in, all of the debris, the leaf and everything will be inside. But just to show you guys a close-up view of what the product looks like, here is this part right here. So they do have the very nice material that will help you guys push everything inside to suck into this little hole. And when you guys do look at the bottom right here, they do have the opening for you guys to open it. So these are clip option and these are clip for you guys to turn it to open it up. So just like this. Push it out. This one as well. And once you guys do that, so here is the inside for that part. And then here is what the inside the bag looks like. So this part right here is where it's gonna get sucked in. And this is the bag that's gonna hold all the trash inside in terms of your leaf, the debris, and anything else. And you see on this bag right here, they do have the hose. So that allows the water to come out really easily when it does suck everything inside in terms of leaf, etc. And this side right here, we do have a little tap for you to pull. So what you do is pull it out. So just like this, to take it out really easily and clean it. So all you do is just flip it inside out, just like that, to clean it and rinse it if you guys do need to. Once you guys are done, you guys bring it back in and lock it back on right here. But see right here, we do have the built-in part for you guys to actually suck everything in. So this is the hole where it's gonna be sucked in onto this bag right here. So once you guys are finished cleaning it, you guys can put it back on. Make sure it goes all the way in as far as you guys can. So just like that, very easy and very simple. And that is a trash bag that's gonna hold everything inside. So once you guys are done, you guys put it back inside. This side will go right here. It only fits one way. Once you guys got it in right here, you're gonna push it in and make sure the prop is inside and not hanging out. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. Then you guys will lock the bottom part as well. And that is how you guys take it out and clean it. Eventually, very easy and very simple. In terms of water that will come out, not only will it come from right here, But I believe it'll come from this part right here as well. And I believe the way how the product moves is by using the motor inside to move the wheels on this side and these as well. And obviously for this product, since it is cordless, you do have to plug in cable to charge it. So the way how you actually charge it is by plugging it right here. So right, do loosen up. That is where you plug in cable to recharge it. And we do have a power button for it to turn it on. So we do press it one time. You can see how we do have a blue indicator light that turns on. You do not want to turn it on when it's not water, otherwise damage the parts inside. So that is everything that's on the product. What I'm doing right now is plugging cable to show you guys how to charge it. So right here I do have the cable all plugged in. If you guys do plug it in. Once you guys do plug it in, they do have an indicator light right here that is red. That will show you guys when it's charging or when it's fully charged. If you guys do see red, that means it's still charging. But once it's fully charged, it'll turn green. Another way for you to know is that when you guys turn it on, it'll show you guys different color. So I believe when it's fully charged, it'll be blue or something. But I think the safest bet is for you guys to look at a charger to let you guys know when it's fully charged. But that is how you guys do charge the product. So very easy and very simple for you to charge the product. And when you guys try to move the product around, and see how it actually moves really smoothly. But when you guys do put in water, it'll move even better, especially for this back part right here. And see how well it does move. So that is everything that's on the product. What I'm doing right now is to let it fully charge first. And then once it's fully charged, I'm gonna put this into the pool to test it out to show you guys how well it does work. And probably put this in the pool side by side with the Seagull Plus to show you guys what it actually looks like side by side. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. All right, so right here we do have the product. And then here we do have the pool. So you see there's a lot of leaf inside right here. So I'm gonna put it inside and show you guys what it looks like once it's done. Let me show you the wide angle view of what the pool looks like. So here is a wide angle view of what the pool looks like. So let's put it inside and see what the result looks like after we do use it. So what I'm doing first is press the button and you're gonna put it in. So once you guys see blinking light, you guys put it in. Make sure it's sealed. Let's put it inside. You can see how it is climbing the wall, which is pretty interesting. And now it's going back down. So that's actually really cool how she climbed the wall, you can see. It's literally sucking everything up, you can see. You can see the water pressure that's being blown to the surface when we do use it. And now it's climbing the wall. You can see how it's going up. So that's actually really cool, so that way I can help you guys clean the wall and everything. All right, so we're gonna bring it out right now to see what the inside looks like. Yeah. All right, so here's what the bottom looks like. If you can see how the leaf got stuck in the bottom, if you guys do have a lot of leaf, so that's the issue for this one. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So this is what the inside looks like. So you see how it's not full yet, but you feel free to take it out and pour it out if you guys do want to first and rinse it. But you see the pot definitely does work. But if you guys do have a lot of leaf, it'll probably take some time. This is what it actually looks like right now. So you may have to do it a few times to make sure it's clean. All right, so right here we do have both of them side by side. So this is a Seagull Plus and this is Elite Pro. For the Elite Pro, when we do use it, it climbs wall, but there's a lot of downside to it in terms of how well the suction is on here compared to Seagull Plus. And we guys look at the size of the product, this one's much bigger than this one. But in terms of the bag that's inside, it is slightly different, which I will show you in a second when we do test it out and throw it in. In terms of the vacuum for the product, there's two ways for the vacuum to actually start working. There's one here and one right here, where for this one, there's only one right here. But it does have a scrubber option for you to scrub the wall, which is really nice. But here's what it actually looks like in the bottom. Let's put it in to show you guys how it works. So I still lift it up. It's actually very lightweight compared to this one. It's a little bit more heavier. And for this one also has the bumper on the corners, where for this one does not. Let's turn it on and put it in. You guys can see how the Seagull Plus starts working immediately. And this one's still having trouble. Now slowly submerging. Where for Seagull Plus it already start working and sucking everything up already. When you look at the Elite Pro, it does work, but it doesn't seem like it's worked as well as the Seagull Plus. It's right here. The only one downside of Seagull Plus is the fact that it does not climb wall, where for the actual Elite Pro it does. So if you guys want a stronger suction option, the Seagull Plus definitely works a lot better. But if you guys want the option to climb walls, then the Elite Pro works better. And notice for the Elite Pro, it always keeps doing that, where it actually flips up like that, which is really weird. So right there, you can see how it's climbing the wall. Where for the other one, it won't give you guys that option. So that's one thing that you're paying for this product compared to the other one. But in terms of suction, it does seem like the Seagull Plus actually works a lot better when you guys do use it. And cleans it much faster as well. You can see how the other one's still stuck there. So if you guys really think about it, if you guys use both of them at the same time, you guys can use the Seagull Plus for the flat surface. You guys can use the Elite Pro for the walls. You can see how the Elite Pro is just stuck on the wall. So it does take a really long time for the Elite Pro to suck everything up compared to the Seagull Plus, you can see. Welcome back, guys. So now that a quick test apart, it definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. You can see how when we use a new one for the Elite Pro, it works so much better to give you guys a better cleaning effect when you guys do use it, since it does have a big bag. And also help you guys clean it much better with the scrubber option that's built in. So that actually scrubs it much better for your pool when you guys do use it, especially when it does climb like the wall, etc., which is pretty cool. I think the coolest thing about the product is the fact that it's so much smaller and so much more stronger when you guys do use it, and also feels a lot more lighter weight compared to the Sequel Plus. But it's so effective when you guys do use it, if you can see when we do test it out. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys will need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality pool cleaner that's cordless, very powerful, and allow you guys to scrub everything really nicely in your pool. And I hope you guys climb the walls on your pool as well. So that way you don't have to clean it yourself or hire someone to do it for you. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.